Hey everyone, this is Elissa Jarkey with Century 21 Circle. If you've been wondering what's going on in the housing market this year, buckle up because the National Association of Realtors just released their 2025 profile of home buyers and sellers, and things are looking a little different. The first-time home buyers are only 21% of the market, which is the lowest ever. Repeat buyers are older than ever, and the median age is 62. Down payments are the highest they've been in decades. People are saving longer or using their equity. And get this, 1 in 4 buyers paid all in cash. Sellers are staying in their homes for 11 years before listing. So what does this mean for you? Well, whether you're thinking about buying your first home, moving up, or downsizing, today's market takes planning, strategy, and a study guide. I'm Elissa Jarkey with Century 21 Circle, and I'd love to help you navigate it from start to finish. Call me, message me, or visit my website, listwithelissa.com. Let's talk about what your 2025-2026 game plan should look like. Thank you.